So, good morning, sir. My name is Jeffrey Pontigas po, your student class for today. May I know your name po and birthday?
My name is RJ Vergis, June 8, 2005.
So, Sir RJ, today po I am going to assess your thorax and lungs po. This is important po to know if there is any abnormalities, presence po to your body, if there is any signs or symptoms of illnesses or diseases that present po to our body. So, I am asking po for operation para po magawa po natin ng tama, and I am asking po for permission para hawakan po yung katawan niyo, especially your thorax po, the posterior. Please, okay po ba sa inyo, sir? Okay, so the equipment are here such as the pen light, the stethoscope, the skin marker, the alcohol, and the gloves. Also the metric ruler and the patient's gown. So I am now having a hand hygiene, providing privacy. So, sir, I am going to that all the information you are going to provide or the assessment na kakalabasan po will remain confidential for me and to the attendant physician. So, let us begin po. Can you check for the gown? While having the gown po, I am going to my gloves. So this is important po kasi we have a direct contact to the skin of the client. But it is okay po na tanggalin po muna for a while if there is need for a better palpation sa skin po to the posterior thorax of the clients. Now the settings is prepared. Also, I already checked the medical record. So let us have a collecting subjective data. So sir, may I know po if you have a present lung diseases po? Okay, for your family po, do you have relatives na may lung cancer po or any lung diseases? Wala. Good. How about po sa hygiene po natin or for the lifestyle? Nag-uminom po ba kayo? Naninigal niyo? Okay. How about po diet? Nag-diet po ba tayo? That's good po. Now, let us now proceed po. Pwede po ba kami mag-ikot na for our assessment? Can you cross your both hand po sa shoulder niya? And try to lean back po. So let us now proceed po for our posterior thorax assessment by inspecting first the shape and configuration of the chest wall and also the position of the scapulae. So I see that the position of the scapulae po is symmetry. I see here. Also the chest wall po is symmetry and not protruding, which is good. Let us now also inspect the use of accessory muscle weights. So I see po that when he is breathing normally, it is effortless and he is easily breathing. So that does mean that he does not use any accessory muscle when he is normally breathing po. Now let us also inspect the positioning of the client, noting for its posture and the ability of the client to support the weight while he is breathing po. So, I see that the positioning of the client is the spine is straight. He is not breathing hardly. He is not catching his breath, which means nag-breathe po siya ng normally, which is good po. For the next one po, let us now palpate for tenderness and unusual sensation. Let us also now palpate for the surface characteristic for like lesion and masses po. So, I am now palpating po. Sabihin niya po if there is any pain po kayo nararamdaman or any tenderness, okay?
good.
So, I see po that there is no unusual pain or tenderness po. There is no also unusual sensation na while I am palpating po, there is no lesions and masses din po na visible sa surface ng ating chest wall. Also, the temperature po is warm, which is normal sa body ng isang tao. So, let us now proceed po to the next one, which is having the also po pala, there is no crepitus. Crepitus po is parang hair-like sound while you are palpating that. There is no palpable crepitus po sa kanilang clients. Let us now proceed po by having a palpation of the crepitus. Crepitus po, we need to have with the use of our ulnar edges here po. While the client po is saying 99. So, sir, can you say 99 continuously? On my count, 1, 2, 3.
99, 99, 99, 99, 99, 99, 99, 99, 99.
So, okay. I see that the vibration at my hands, is, I see that the vibration in my hands or to my ulnar edges is normal, symmetry to the both sides, and also the vibration at the top of the lungs is having a louder vibration, while at the edges of the lungs here po is slowly decreasing po the vibration. So let us now check also or palpate the chest expansion po. Well, first, So let us now check the chest expansion by placing your thumb at the around T9 to T10 up here po. Then ask the client to breathe loudly. So sir, can you indicate sir po at my count? 1, 2, 3, go. Another one. So I see that the chest expansion po is symmetry to the both side. Also, I think approximately is a 5 centimeter po, which is normal for our chest expansion po. So let us now proceed for the percussion of the for our posterior thorax. In percussion, it is recommended to don't have a gloves para po mas ma-feel natin yung pag-percuss or walang tunog po yung nanggagaling sa ating gloves. So for this po, I am going to percuss beginning po at the apices part of the scapulae going to the top shoulder, going now to the intercostal spaces, from here to down, also the lateral part of the bases of the lungs po. So I am now beginning palpation po here. I'm sorry po. upon palpation po, I see that upon percussion po, I see that there is no such thing po as abnormal while I am percussing the parts of the chest po or the chest wall po. There is no such thing as ano po, abnormal sa tunog po sa ng ikot po natin. So let us now proceed po to the percussing the diaphragmatic excursion po. So for this naman po, I am going to percuss this ano po, starting po here at the bottom of the scapulae, starting here. Then hanapin po yung sound from the resonance to the ulnas po. So I have here po the marker. I am going to ask the client to inhale, then hold this breath. Inhale po. Hold po your breath. So, here po is the dullness, beginning at the dullness. So, sir, can you breathe normally na po? Then, can you inhale, exhale, then hold. Here po. So here, we need to do this again po at the kabila. This is our marker. So can you inhale and then hold sir ulit? Hold. So let us measure it by centimeter. It is a 5 centimeter and 5.5. It is normal po na medyo may ano po to the right side. The right side since it is have a presence po of the liver. So the diaphragmatic excursion po of the client is normal. Relax mo na po sir. So for the auscultation po, we need to auscultate po for the breathe sound and hear po the normal sounds po. So I am using this po. This for the pattern, I am going to hear po. Okay, let's now begin po. For our so when you breathe po with your mouth, you will not open po. Then breathe po with your mouth. Okay? So, upon palpation po, upon auscultating the chest wall, I see po that I hear po the normal sounds, which is the bronchial, the bronchivesicular, and also the vesicular po, which is normal po sa clients natin. Now, let us also auscultate po for any adventitious sound. such as crackles or wheezing po, or while he is breathing po. Now, again po sir, can you breathe normally, exhale, inhale, exhale po. Go. So I see that the client has no any wheezing sound or any crackles to the to his chest, so which is normal. For the last one, well, let us now auscultate for our voice sounds. So there are three kinds po, which is the bronchophony, egopony, and whisper pectoraloquy. So for the first one po, I am asking the client to repeat the phrase or repeat the sounds 99 while I am auscultating his back po, which is the bronchophony. Sir, can you say repeatedly say 99? Go.
99, 99, 99, 99, 99, 99.
So I see po that the sounds po is not clear. It is sound like which is normal po. The not normal po is if it is clear or nasa sabi po na 99 if you know why I am studying, which is not good. So I think the bronchophony of the client is normal. So for the next one po is the egopony. For today naman po sir, can you repeat saying E, 1, 2, go. So I see that the client says E, which is not clear, which is normal. Also, hindi po siya narinig as A, which is good po. So for the last one po, for our whispered pectoraloquy, let us ask the client po to whisper 1, 2, 3 continuously. So can you whisper 1, 2, 3? Sorry, 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
So I hear po that the clients po is hindi po siya clear yung 1, 2, 3 which is normal po. So that means po na wala pong any emphysema or hindi po lumalabas yung air sa any direction na possible po nalabasan na. Sa normal way lang po yung airway ng clients. So after that, that will be all po for our posterior thorax assessment. Let us now proceed po to the anterior thorax assessment. So sir, can you balik po na po sa tibangan niyo po. So let us now begin po the inspection of the anterior thorax, the inspection or assessment of the anterior thorax by first inspecting the shape and configuration of first the IC po. Also the anterior posterior and the ratio of the anterior posterior to the transverse diameter po is observable 1:2, which is normal po. So let us now also inspect the sternum. So the sternum po is symmetry. At the intercostal po, I mean it is not sunken, which is good. Let us now also check the slope. Pero we need to check it po pala at the anterior and lateral view. So I see here, also here na it is not sunken and it is not unsymmetric. It is symmetric. So let us now check also the slope of the ribs from anterior to lateral view. So the slope of your ribs po is symmetry. Also the intercostal spaces is good. It is also the costal angle po is let us say 90 degrees, which is normal. So let us also inspect for the quality and pattern of the respiration of the client, noting for the breath respiration and also the rhythm and the rate and depth of the breathing of the client as well. So I see that the normal breathing of the client is fine. There is no wheezing sound, which is indication po na may asthma on the client if there is any, which is wala naman po. The respiration is normal. The rhythm is fine. Yeah, the deep breath po is normal. Hindi naman, he is breathing po normal. His respiration po is effortless, which is super deep. Now let us also inspect for the I already checked the intercostal spaces of the client. Now let us now also inspect the accessory muscles at this point of view. So I see po na while he is breathing, he is not using accessory muscle, which is good. He is breathing normally, effortless, and easy. So which is super good po. Now let us now check for, let us now palpate for the I mean for yes for the lesions or any tenderness or masses po sa akin. Makakapibay sa inyo. So there is no tenderness or masses, which is good. Good. Okay, there is no tenderness and masses po present sa ating client. So let us now palpate the primitus while the client is saying 90. Can you say 99 people? In my counts, 1, 2, 3,
99, 99, 99, 99, 99, 99, 99.
So the vibration is normal. It is symmetric to the both side, which is good. And the vibration also is louder than here kaysa po here sa baba ng bases ng ating lungs. So let us now proceed po to the chest expansion by putting also our thumb here po. Then can you breathe 1, 2, 3, go. Another one. So here po, I see that the chest expansion is symmetry, and in my observation, it is around 5 centimeter, which is normal po sa chest expansion ng normal people or normal adult. Now, let us now percuss for the tone, for the first above the clavicle, and then to the intercostal, then to the lateral part of the lungs. Here po. So let us now proceed. I'm going to remove also the we need to remove po para po test po natin siya. So magsisimula po ako dito. So for the intercostal naman.
No. Nagpipilit ka? Dito mo na ako po, kwarto ko. Dito ako kwartong sipot dito.
So I see po that the percussion po is normal. This is a resonance sounds po. I don't hear any dullness here po, which is normal po. So let us now proceed po by percussion or auscultating po for the breath sound, adventitious sounds, also for our voice sounds po. So for this, magsisimula po ulit tayo dito at here, like the pattern we are going to use po. So at here po, we need to use for our now I am checking po for the big sound.
Ang daming sumayo.
Big po.
At ako, ang daming na sumayo. Grupo ay, pagtubot na ng tiyaw. Kaya tumawag ba ka sa'yo? Ha? Ay, talaga, mabait ka na dito. Ay, wala. Saka magayon mo. Magayon mo na daraga. Tama ba? Ako nga eh, kahit ganito. 6 appeal, ang lakas ng 6 appeal. Pinukontrol ko lang. Pinukontrol ko kagabi. Yung 6 appeal ko. Oo, kasi mahirap na yun. Ikaw lang, walang iba. Wala ka na. Ha? Oo. Malayo, pero pag ang biyahe.
So I don't hear any adventitious sounds po. Also the big sound po is normal. I hear po also the normal sound, which is the bronchial, bronchovesicular, and vesicular sounds po. At the corresponding area po na pwede po siyang marinig. Also there is no wheezing or crackles po na pwede po marinig sa part po ng chest wall or sa dito po part ng of the client. So for the last one po, we need to auscultate po for the voice sound. For the, like kanina po, we need to say po continuously. So, let's start po.
99, 99, 99,
Hindi ako gano'n.
99,
Hindi mong babae ako ang babae.
99,
Kahit marami ang loob sa akin, kinawala.
99, 99,
Salamat. Di sa iba lang, may ano ko lang sa iyo.
99,
Ngayon naman po, when you say E,
Kasi yung mga bagay na hindi importante sa buhay natin, kung natin bigyan ko yun. Kung tayo lang ang mga matapang ngayon. Di ba? Ayun. Marunong na ako mag-malihan. Alam naman si amin. Educated school, matalino.
so for the last one po, we say
Bili ka na lang.
1, 2, 3,
Bakit kaya ako sa tubig?
1, 2,
Ang
3,
ganda.
1, 2, 3,
Bukas. O kaya pagsundo mo. Ay pagsundo. Pagsundo mo.
1, 2, 3,
Sabi.
1, 2, 3,
Tapos, ang hindi ko lang gawin ang maganda.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
So, for the voice sounds po, I hear that the bronchophony po is normal. It is, when you say 99 po, it is not clear. Also, the egophony po is normal, which when you say E, it is not sound which is normal and it is not clear din po. And also, the whispered pectoral loci is also normal when you say 1, 2, 3. It is not clear po. It is not sound like 1, 2, 3. It is sound like so, which is normal po sa client's level. So, for our analysis of data, we need to formulate a nursing diagnosis po and also formulate a collaborative problems and make necessary referral. So, sir, can you put na po na awareness back to the normal and do let's do po the aftercare. After the aftercare, let us now have a hand hygiene.
Ang bariya. Pinabuo ng bangko. Hindi ko man hindi na ng bukit. Sabi ko, isang pagkakas na dahil natin
Thank you so much po.
Hindi ko na ako. Kung bakit.
So, we are done na po. Thank you, sir, for your cooperation. And I see that your thank you so much po. And thank you so much.